in 1 to 6. So given a number n, return true if n is in the range 1 to 10 inclusive, unless outside mode boolean is true, in which case return true if the number is less than or equal to 1 or greater or equal to 10. Okay, so if outside mode is true, then return true if number is less than or equal to 1 or number is greater or equal to 10. But if that's not the case, meaning if it's not outside mode, then that means, so if this was false, then that just means that it's not outside mode, so we can return from here. So it's going to return true if either of these statements are true, and it's going to return false if none of the statements are true. So then from here we can also just simply return so if n is greater than or equal to n, or n is greater than or equal to 1 and within the range, then it returns true. If not, it returns false. So here it's outside mode is false, and we have the range. So this leads us to all correct. So it probably also works. So -99 is true. So outside mode was true, so then it's true. So when we run it, we can see that it's true as well.